Alhamdulillah. Part 3. Context. As I listened, I couldn't help but be reminded of the news stories that we unfortunately, see each and every day from places like Iraq and Afghanistan and other war zones. And you created your own war zone out there, Mr. Martin. And that's a significant aggravating circumstance. Continuing with the analogy of war zones, even in a genuine war zone, combatants try. They're not always successful, but I know that at least there is an effort that they avoid medical personnel, medical treatment folks for one another's injured. And yet you violated that very basic tenet that applies even in a combat zone. Created, again, your own combat zone, disregarding the standard rules of combat, if there are such. The other category of aggravating circumstance is the defendant's character. I think it's been pretty fully covered by the prosecuting attorney. Starts with the fact that you hadn't been on the street from formal legal detention for 2 days. Then you're already back in trouble in doing this kind of extraordinary conduct. Furthermore, looking at your criminal history, and I do want the record to reflect, and we will include in this record, unfortunately, their probation department just stopped when you refused to cooperate in preparation of the pre-sentence investigation report in this case. But I have been provided the copy of the pre-sentence investigation report from case number 02D06-1109-FD-1282. My reference to that is strictly for reference to the criminal history. Abuse of discretion. I had not gone beyond page 4 of that pre-sentence for purposes of this analysis and this sentence. I find that there is an irrelevant charge as a juvenile in April of 2004, a couple of them. But we start in December 17, 2004, battery, a Class A misdemeanor. Then we have 3 more batteries or cases that would be batteries as an adult, April 21st, 2005, and 2 on May 31st, 2005, of which we're informed that those took place while in detention. Can't even follow the rules while you're detained. July 25th, 2008, resisting law enforcement. March of 2009, receipt of a stolen firearm, crime of dishonesty, and another crime of violence, or leading to violence, again, the weapons charge. And finally, this offense in September of 2014. In reviewing that criminal history, I find that there are 2 significant threads that seem to define your character. And we're going to take a pause and get back with y'all with part 4, inshallah.